Guys, Purple here, back with another video. Now today I'm going to try and show you how to get mods, because I know a lot of you people struggle with this mostly, because the people never fully explain it to you. Like the first time when I did, I was so confused. What is %app data? What is this? Now most of you people fall out at the run part. Remember, the first thing you gotta do is run a version that you want to play as Forge. Now for this tutorial I will be doing 1.7.10. You can already see I have Forge like that already there, because I did it a long time ago, but I'm going to show you it in anyway. So you always need to run a Forge version. Now you can either make a new profile or edit a profile, but I'm going to make a new one. So I'm gonna do 1.7.10. Where is it? No, the original, not that one. There we go. Save profile. Now play. So you always just gotta play it and run it once to tell the thing that this is the version you want to do. Remember, you can't play a version that you haven't opened yet. Think about it. So remember that. Don't forget that part. That is the most important part. That is where everything goes wrong, and most people on the internet always say, it doesn't work, it won't launch the Forge file. So, and now you just run it anyway. You can go create new world, or you can just leave it like this. You've run it, you've opened up the version, so now you can quit. Now that's over. Next, you want to go to the internet. Now, I'm sorry about all the ads and stuff here, I can't do anything about it. Now, the first website, I'm going to put this in the link in the description at the bottom, is going to be Minecraft Forge. You can either type it in, but if you want to use the link, it's just faster, so yeah. Now, in the older videos, you will notice it doesn't look anything like this. Now, that's because it has actually changed quite a lot since the last time, so keep in mind, it still is the same program, just works differently now. Why does my internet have to be so slow? I'm just gonna skip to the part when it's done loading and I can show you. Okay, so now what you were going to do is wait, what the heck just happened? Sorry. I'm just gonna skip again. Now what you want to do is download the recommended version, because it's a little bit more safe, I would say. Now, you're gonna get
AdFocus
this.
is a revolutionary new way of making money on the internet from sharing links on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube.
Sorry about
Simply
this.
sign up below, share links,
anyway, what
and
you're
earn
gonna do
money.
is just skip, and then it should start downloading Forge. And after that, I'll get to you in a second. So yay, congratulations, you've just gone through the first step of getting your mods to work. Now, go and find Forge in your download file. My download file is quite messed up, so it's going to take me a while, but if you're new and your computer's fresh, it's going to take you like a few seconds. So you have this Forge now. Now what you are going to do is, you will notice you can click on the program to open it. Now, trust me, this is completely safe. I've done this more than 10 times about right now. And you will see install client. That's exactly what you want to do. So, you're going to go install client, okay, and it's going to download some things, and it's going to say successful. Forge version launched. Then, what you want to do is you're gonna have to go in here. Now, since unfortunately I already have Forge, you see, it's launched here. See now, there's a new one, copy of Forge, and now it's still gonna be 1.7.10. You're gonna be like, what the heck? Now, just relax. Go into your version file, and you should find the version right there. See, there's the newest uploaded version now. It's just a little bit confusing since I have the other, it already installed. So then all you're going to do is click play. So this is the first part of this. And now it's going to launch a new version, and it's also going to say there's the installer. You can actually delete this now once you have it, or you can keep it, but I recommend keeping it because updated versions come here and then, and yeah. So now, yay, it launched, and just to show you that it works quickly, I'm gonna go into Creative World and just create one really quick. And I'm also gonna show you how to install the mod and on which page to do it, because as we know, the internet has a lot of viruses, so runs like a charm, depending on your computer and your graphics card. I don't have any mods in now, so I don't know why it's lagging. It's probably just the terrain. But as you can see, it's completely normal. There's nothing different except for that hole. Okay, now that's... Oh, it's a dungeon. Sorry. Just need to discover what's down here. Actually, I'll do that once I'm in the mods. Okay, so, now you just cancel that. Now, the program I prefer you to use... this, and this is Sky Does Minecraft. His mod packs are safe as far as I've downloaded hundreds, and if you don't believe me, and you have problems with it, here, I'll show you. So I'll just scroll down, mod packs, and look at all these files. This is how the file's gonna look. Now, you don't drag this into your mod folder. I will show you how to make a mod folder. It's pretty simple. You don't even have to do anything. You see that you just open these files. This is what I like about this thing. You never have to go on the internet again. And you click the version you want, install it, and you're good to go. So I do prefer you using this, but you can use different programs. Just make sure you have antivirus or something like that. And now, to get to this, you can either click down on the link in the description, or you can type in Minecraft mods, and it should be in the link here, but I prefer you using the link. It's always faster. So just go down in the description and click, and you'll see Sky Does Minecraft installers, tools, mods, maps, and textures. Now this program works pretty neat for me. I hope it works for you as well. It should. Now, yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, just scrambling a bit, but yeah. As you can see, there's already mods here, but there's for all different versions. Now, obviously, we don't want to see different versions. We're looking for one specific version. So, you're gonna... Ah, sorry about the ads. Dang it, come on. Leave. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on... Sorry, guys. You see, this is the problem with... Okay, guys. Word of warning, if you're gonna get anything on internet, please go for Firefox. Please. Or whatever they call it. Now, this ad. You see? Ads everywhere. Okay. I'm just doing this so I can make the toolbar appear up again because it's like glitchy. I don't know why. Now here you choose your version, you see. And obviously I want 1.7.10, so... Leave me alone. I don't want... And now go for 1.7.10 or whatever version. Remember, you can do exactly what I was doing, just make sure that you're doing it the way I'm doing it, okay? You can use any version you want, but just do it the way I'm doing it. It works exactly the same for every version, okay? So don't worry about, oh no, how do I do 1.6.4? It's exactly the same. So I'm just gonna go with a noble mod here that I know quite well. I'm gonna go, actually let's try something different. How about, yeah, the invasion mod. I like this, especially when I have like a city and go into a map, you know, city map, and just put up the invasion. Now, I'm not gonna do a tutorial on this. I'm just gonna show you a quick few things and then yeah. Okay, so once you're here, you can either go to look, there's a bunch of videos and you're probably asking me, where's the mod? What is this? Is this some kind of a joke? You gotta scroll down over here and then you'll see downloads. Now this is not those click downloads that take you to a stupid website. You either click zip, but I prefer EX because the zip isn't really that important. EX just gives you the original file, like that little orange box as you saw, or you can go to the original website, but here it's safer because here it sort of sorts everything out, checks for viruses, and some of the mods are off if there's viruses. You'll notice that. Now what it's going to do is pretty much the same, except that it's doing ads. You see, this is why I need Firefox. I'm sorry about this. And there it will do the same thing. It'll start downloading. Depending on how big the mod is, it'll take longer and how fast your computer is. Then, once that happens, you're going to go into the downloads folder. Again. Now I just need to find it. Okay, now obviously it's going to get scrambled here because I got a lot of mods that I downloaded. I need to get rid of some of these. Ah, there it is, the invasion mod. Now, just open it. It'll take a while to run the program, like that, and then choose the version you want. Forge, install, no. And I'm going to show you where that mod went, because obviously you need to store these in a file. I'm sorry for forgetting that part out. Okay, so now it's installed. But where is it? Where is it? You're asking. Because, I mean, what if you wanted to delete the mod, and you didn't like it, or it crashed your game or something? Now, for that, you're going to have to go, press your Windows key. It's that little square thing that is like a little window. It's literally a window. If you don't know it, I'm just saying this for starters, because I know the first time I did this, I'm like, what's a window key? And I know some of us are really slow learners. Trust me, I was one. So you're going to press Windows and R, which will bring up run. It's basically to run a program. And in that, you're going to type %appdata%. Now, I'm either going to put it up here in the title or so, or I'm just going to put it down in the description, because I know lots of you don't know how to spell. Or you can't see this from here, because, yeah. And anyway, then you're going to run that. Then it's going to go to Minecraft. You're going to see lots of stuff here. Yours might not be in the same place, but you're going to go to Minecraft. And after that, you should see a lot of files, and you're like so confused. But actually, you won't start off with that much. This is just because I downloaded mods, then it sometimes opens a file here. But you're going to, you should have a mod file. It should make one for you, but if you don't, just go make a new file, go new folder. Make sure it's a folder, not a zip folder. And then just call it, well, mods. You see, you're just going to call it like that. M-O-D-S. And no capital at front. Remember that. So I'm just going to delete that because I don't want to bug things up. And if you go in here, in the mod file, it put the invasion mod right there, crystal clear. You can't open it. I wouldn't suggest opening it, because you don't really need to, unless you are a guy that likes texturing things or so. Now, to prove that this works, I'm just going to launch it. Though it may not work, because the version might be outdated. It's a really old mod, as far as I'm concerned. Or there's been an update for it, so it should work. Now, it's just going to play it. Hopefully. But trust me, this works. If you are having problems, just type in YouTube chat on my channel or anything and tell me, Dear Purple Pearl or whatever, this doesn't work, and I'll look into it and try and help you. But remember, I'm only going to do this helping series for a while, because I want to do something else as well that's like fun. Alright, so here I am in the version. As you can see, there's an extra slip here. Get out the way. And if I go there, the invasion mod. See, I got the Nexus core that you have to protect with your life. And I got the original bricks. Though, I prefer, guys, seriously, I prefer you to try out 1.7.10. Besides, like 6.4 does have good mods that some of 7.10 or whatever, 7.10. sorry, doesn't have, but I prefer 7.10. I'm just getting so confused. I'm so sorry. But anyway, I prefer this version. I can't help it. It's just like the custom NPCs mod. That mod is awesome. You guys should go check it out. I'll probably put that in the link in the description as well. It's like your own editing if you like building or so on and so forth. Now I'm going to just quickly show you what this mod does. I'm not going to do a review. I'm just going to quickly show you that this works and it's not just one item that's glitchy. Strong Nexus core. I'm not going to survive for long. Alright, let's put it in there. Are you sure? Yes. Easy. And you even have... look, the weapons work. This is no retextured items. Look, the bow's gonna turn red if I hold it. And boom. Fire arrow. You got landmines, you got everything. And guys, remember, you can put in as much mods as your computer can handle. If you have a 60-bit, 64-bit of computer, it will work great. What the... Okay. I have no idea what that is, but... yeah. Now, I prefer 64 bits on Minecraft to keep it running really good. Like, imagine if you were gonna run ore spawn. So, see, here comes new different zombies. Different abilities. See, that one's not dying, he's got so much health. And here's a... okay, I don't want that, I hate that thing. And a fat... oh wait, it's not the fat pig. Where's the fat pig? Whoa, whoa, what's going on? You see, guys, I have a few glitches here and there. Okay, that's not a fat... where's the fat charger, man? There. So, and look at that big spider. And they're all coming for the Nexus core. Oh, I'm so dead. So, guys, I hope this video helped you out. If something is wrong, just type in the, you know, description or whatever. And tell me what you need help with, and I'll try and explain it to you as much as I can. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys next time on a different tutorial on how to do resource packs, because I know a lot of you... oh no, I'm gonna die. Well, peace out. Oh, sorry. Sorry again.